Here's a 2018 Ford F-150. This truck was built to tough it out and tested to make sure it's up to every challenge. It comes with all the amenities you need: automatic transmission, electronic shift on the fly, engine auto stop start feature, active grille shutters, external memory control, wireless phone connectivity, leather seats, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and V8 engine. The Car Connection explains, make no mistake, every square inch is detailed to cheat the wind to make it easier to extract every possible tenth of a mile per gallon from a classically styled pickup truck. Ford is America's best-selling vehicle brand. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
Call, click, or stop into Napleton's Volkswagen of Orlando today. We're conveniently located at 12700 East Colonial Drive in sunny Orlando. We look forward to serving you.